Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my crochet pattern, the Everlasting Frost Cowl. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. For my example cowl, I'm going to be making 180 chains. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to be working half double crochet stitches again, but we're only going to be working into the back loops. So to identify the back loops, look at the top of your work. The loop farthest away from you is going to be that back loop. So you're going to work half double crochet stitches like normal, but only into those back loops. So 1 half double crochet into each stitch, but only into those back loops. You would now repeat row 2 for how wide you want your cowl. I'm going to continue on, and I will come back when the body of my cowl is complete. So this is how my cowl is looking. I ended up making 12 rows total for the body. Once you make as many rows as you want for the body of your cowl, you're going to fasten off and leave a long yarn tail so you can seam the ends of your cowl together. Now you can leave your cowl lying flat like this where both sides are flat, or you can take one side and flip it over, and it's going to give this cowl more of an infinity cowl feel. And then you would seam the ends together. So that is going to be how to make my everlasting frost cowl. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.